Coppell is known for its well-designed neighborhoods, where homes range from traditional brick exteriors to transitional and contemporary styles. When upgrading your windows, it's important to choose options that enhance, not disrupt, your home's architectural character. Bow windows are an elegant choice, and when customized properly, they can blend seamlessly with a wide variety of Coppell home designs. With the right configuration, materials, and finishing details, custom bow windows can elevate curb appeal while maintaining architectural harmony. Understanding the bow window advantage: bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from the home. Unlike bay windows, which typically have sharper angles, bow windows create a softer, rounded appearance. This curved design allows more natural light to enter from multiple angles while adding dimension and visual interest to the facade. But the key to making bow windows work in Coppell homes lies in thoughtful customization. Matching traditional brick homes, many Coppell properties feature classic brick exteriors with symmetrical window layouts. For these homes, custom bow windows can be configured with grills or divided light patterns that match existing windows, neutral or white frames that complement brick tones, proportions that maintain the home's symmetry. Maintaining grid consistency across all windows ensures the bow window feels like an original architectural element rather than a later addition. Complementing transitional designs, transitional homes blend traditional and modern elements. In these properties, bow windows can be customized with minimal grid patterns or gridless glass, clean line trim profiles, darker frame colors for contrast. This approach preserves the soft curve of the bow window while aligning with updated design elements commonly found in Coppell's newer neighborhoods. Enhancing contemporary architecture for modern homes with sleek lines and expansive glass, bow windows can be configured with larger glass panels for unobstructed views, slim frame profiles, matte black or dark bronze finishes. By minimizing decorative details, the bow window becomes a statement piece that enhances natural light without overwhelming the home's design. Customizing size and panel count: one of the biggest advantages of bow windows is flexibility. Homeowners can choose the number of panels and the degree of curvature to suit their home's proportions. Smaller bow windows work beautifully in breakfast nooks or bedrooms, while larger configurations create dramatic focal points in living rooms. Ensuring the window size matches the scale of your home is essential. Oversized windows on modest facades can feel unbalanced, while undersized installations may not deliver the desired impact. Interior design considerations: custom bow windows not only enhance the exterior but also influence interior aesthetics. In Coppell homes, homeowners often add built-in seating wind benches with storage extended sills for decor. Choosing interior trim and finishes that complement flooring, cabinetry, and wall colors ensures a cohesive look. Energy efficiency: for Texas climate, Coppell's warm climate makes energy performance a priority. Custom bow windows can include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reduce heat gain, argon gas fills for added insulation, vinyl or fiberglass frames for durability. These features help maintain indoor comfort while preserving the architectural beauty of your home. Professional design and installation: proper design planning is critical when adding bow windows. Experienced professionals ensure the configuration aligns with structural requirements and local building codes. Precise installation also guarantees airtight sealing and long-term durability, especially during Texas heat and seasonal storms. A tailored upgrade for Coppell homes. Custom bow window configurations offer Coppell homeowners the opportunity to enhance natural light, increase visual appeal, and add architectural dimension, all while staying true to their home's original style. With careful planning and thoughtful design choices, bow windows can become a seamless extension of your home's architecture, delivering both beauty and performance for years to come.